Are you looking for the best circular saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best circular saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the DEWALT 7-1 divided by 4-inch circular saw with electric brake. At 8.8 pounds and measuring only 7.2 inches, the DEWALT Circular is a compact and lightweight tool for everyday use, construction activities, and industrial applications. This tool is a must-have for every worker. However, do not let its lightweight and compact size fool you. The unit delivers an astounding 100 revolutions per minute of power. Also, it has an integrated dust blower for a clear line of sight and a 57 deg bevel capacity with presets at 22.5 deg and 45 deg. Built for easy usage, the patented 15-amp motor is sturdy and provides even power to the blade for a splinter-free finish. This circular saw has a patented cord that provides 3 times resistance to pullouts and an ergonomic handle for all cutting positions. The blades can cut up to a depth of 2.5 inches at 9 deg and 1.9 inches at 45 deg. The DEWALT Circular Saw has an aluminum base for safe and accurate cuts. The entire unit comprises a 7-1 divided by 4 inches carbide-tipped blade, wrench, circular saw, user manual, and a carry case. Overall, the unit is good, but a rip guide and laser sighting mechanism would make this product much more superior in value. Up next in the fourth place is the SKILSAW Sidewinder Circular Saw. Engineered for precision cutting, the SKILSAW Sidewinder SPT67WL is a lightweight and powerful circular saw. With a 56 deg beveling capacity, lightweight housing, and a dual motor, this circular saw is easy to handle. The powerful 15-amp worm drive-enabled motor delivers 300 revolutions per minute, and that is indeed a decent power to work with. Weighing only 8.6 pounds, the circular saw has managed to accommodate a dust blower for a clear view during working. With the power churning out, the torque produced easily decimates almost any material thanks to the 24-tooth carbide saw. Made from dual copper windings, the motor has increased cooling surface any 40% and keeps the motor cool during operation. At 9 deg angle, the 7-1 divided by 4 inches saw can cut a depth of 2-7 divided by 16 inches and has beveling stops at 0 deg and 45 deg. This makes it easy for you to work on projects like sliding, frames, decks, even ceilings. It also has an on-tool multi-function wrench for blade, brush changing. However, if it included a laser sighting arrangement, the tool would have been perfect. Still, it has the best value for money in the market, so you will not be disappointed with it anyway. This circular saw is one of the lightest in the professional category and is an all-rounded portable work tool. However, we would like to add a bit more to the equipment, a laser sighting. The third product on our list is the Milwaukee Tilt-Lok Circular Saw. The Milwaukee Tilt-Lok Circular Saw, as the name suggests, has got a tilt mechanism. Versatile and easy to use, the circular saw has a tilt handle for more than one angle for easy operation. Locking the circular saw at a stable angle is possible because of the tilt and lock mechanism. The unit is equipped with a 15-amp powerful motor and has an aircraft aluminum body that gives stability and precision. The motor is capable of churning out 800 revolutions per minute, which is an impressive feature of this machine. Comfort and ease of handling are some of the core factors that we noticed while working with this equipment. The Milwaukee Circular Saw has a 50 deg bevel attachment and a 7-1 divided by 4 inches saw blade that makes working with it a breeze. A laser sighting arrangement and the one-touch spindle lock button feature is definitely our favorite. This feature makes it quite quick and easy to change the blade. It also comes with a wrench and a case. The Milwaukee Tilt-Lok has an exclusive 8-position handle locks that are the USP of this product. Users will feel the difference in ease and comfort compared to others in the market. A quality product, the Milwaukee Tilt-Lok Circular Saw is a tough one to beat for its price. Second on our list is the Genesis Control Grip Compact Circular Saw. If you face difficulties during complex horizontal and vertical cuts, then the Genesis GCS 545C Circular Saw is the one to buy. With a 4-1 divided by 2 extended grip handle, the saw has much more stability than a regular circular saw. You can notice the difference when you work on a vertical surface. The experience is comfortable and easy. Equipped with a 5.8-amp motor, this circular can cut hardwoods, softwood, composites, and even copper and aluminum. It has a triple gear reduction system encased in a cast aluminum gearbox for speed and precision control. The 4-1 divided by 2 24T tungsten carbide tipped blade can cut through 2 times the material. and eliminates the need for a 7-1 divided by 4 blade. We like this feature as the machine redefines portability with additional space saving. The adjustable depth and bevel settings give a 1-11 divided by 16 cut at 9 tight and 1-1 divided by 8 at 45 dig respectively. The unit has a built-in dust port and vacuum adapter that collects debris. The motor churns out a maximum speed of 3,500 revolutions per minute and comes with an optional 60 THSS blade. It has an optional 48 rip cutting track system that makes it easy to work on drywalls. Given its performance, we could say this could be a useful circular saw available in the market. Finally, the top product on our list is the Porter Cable 7-1 divided by 4-inch circular saw. If you are looking for a powerful and portable circular saw that delivers instant torque and speed, then Porter Cable is the one. This machine never disappoints with its 500 revolutions per minute and slices through work with ease. Weighing only 9 pounds, you will never feel any discomfort while working with this lightweight circular saw. A powerful 15-amp motor keeps the working smooth, and the 7-1 divided by 4 inches carbide-tipped blade provides a splinter-free finish. The beveling angles have a preset setting at 22.5 dig and 45 dig, and the saw twists to a maximum of 55 dig to provide good stability. The unit has a magnesium shoe that maintains its balance and cancels out any excess vibration. With a 3-year warranty, the Porter Cable circular saw is worth every penny spent. The unit has a good quality finish and has ample plastic protection for both the user and the machine. The spindle lock adjust mechanism makes blade changes convenient. The aux handle provides good comfort, clear line of sight, and quick adjustments for different depth cuts. We won't say that the machine is perfect and believe that adding a laser sighting system would provide more value to the customer, but overall, this is a cool mid-range machine for serious works. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.